We are using the chain rule here. So the chain rule is like peeling an onion. We do the derivative of the outermost function first, then we start doing the derivative of the inner function. Okay? So when we look at this, sine of negative 3x squared minus 3x plus 7, we would do the derivative of the outer one first. So I'm going to go ahead and do the derivative of the sine function first. Then after I do the derivative of the sine function, it's going to be times the derivative of the inside of it. Okay, so it's peeling the onion. We do a derivative on each part. After we do the derivative, it's been peeled, basically. All right, so this is our f of x. Okay, so f prime of x. The derivative of sine is what? Cosine. What do we put inside of cosine? Well, we put whatever was inside of sine. So we just repeat that. That'd be a minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 7 times the derivative of the inside here. So what's the derivative of the inside? That would be 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. X, 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3. The x just drops off of that one. Okay? And then that's going to be your final answer. So the trick is that you're just peeling it away. And at this stage of the game, it's where you need to kind of do some of the calculus inside your head. If you struggle with it, and I know some of you might, you can call this like U. And then you can call this like V. And then you can think about them separately that way. So it'd be like V is equal to sine of x. So V prime is equal to cosine of x. U is equal to negative 3x squared minus 3x plus 7. And then U prime is equal to negative 6x minus 3. And then you start putting those pieces together. Okay, so here's the cosine. It's not just x, but it's whatever's inside of this. This is the x. And then times the derivative of u. Okay, so it's derivative. Okay, let's see which answer we have. No, it's not negative. It's positive. Positive cosine negative 3x squared minus 3x plus 7 minus 6x minus 3. There we go. Okay. Next question. Okay, chain rule again. So we got our y is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this since we have square root. That's going to be 4x plus 1 to the 1/2 power. Okay, so what's the outermost one? What's the peeling the onion? What do we do first? It's the 1/2 power times the derivative of the inside. All right, so dy dx, it's the form they want, is equal to the derivative of the outside is 1/2, rewrite the inside, and then 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2 times the derivative of the inside. Now we've peeled that part of the onion off. Now we're on the inside. What's the derivative of 4x plus 1? Just 4. Okay, so the derivative of 1 goes away. Derivative of anything with an x is just the coefficient or the number in front. All right, then we're going to go ahead and rewrite this. We can never have negative exponents. 4 goes in front, so I don't want to do too much at once. So 4 times the 1/2, let's put our numbers together. Negative throws it on the bottom, and 4x plus 1 is to the 1/2 power. Our problem gave us square roots, so we want to give them an answer with square roots, and I'll reduce this out. 2 goes into 4 twice. This is now the square root of 4x plus 1. So we have to do it in pieces. 2 over 4x plus 1 square root. Yep. Okay. And the rest should be similar, just doing those in pieces.